Richie Ruckus beat.
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, Richie Ruckus. We are back here today. It is Sunday, November 3rd, and as promised yesterday, another back-to-back double feature hitting you with episode 1 and 2. Back-to-back, part 1 and 2, Attack the Clone. Back-to-back, back-to-back, back-to-back. That has become the norm here. Copping 2 pairs of sneakers on a Saturday. Hitting you with a review Saturday, review on Sunday. As stated previously in yesterday's video, these are back-to-back, 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 back-to-back. So I am in the same outfit as yesterday. I do own a shower. I do have running water in my home. I am just trying to bang these out and get these to the masses as quickly as possible. That being said, as told in yesterday's video, I did the Yeezy 500 Soul Vision yesterday. I'm hitting you guys with a Jordan 1 unboxing today. I'm not going to take up any more of your time. It's the weekend. You're trying to watch football. You're trying to eat some chicken wings. You're trying to drink some brews with the boys. You know why you're here. You know the drill. Let's get a glimpse of these Warlocks. We have the Jordan Retro OG 1 High in this fearless colorway. It is the Chicago, North Carolina combination. The road from North Carolina to the Chicago Bulls. Chapel Hill to the Chicago Bulls. Very dope sneaker. Patent leather boys are in the building. You know your boy is a Jordan 1 fanatic. A Jordan 1 junkie. I had to get my hands on these. And they didn't disappoint. I know a full upper patent leather sneaker is not for everybody. But your boy's, you know, he likes to throw a little flair to his style. He likes to, you know, wear the subtle all black fit with a pair of crazy colorway sneakers. And I know when I first heard about this, I was unsure how the North Carolina and the Chicago colorway was going to go. Combined it together, and I gotta say, in hand, Nike and Jordan Brand did a phenomenal job, and they don't miss a beat. You have what is essentially the top part of the Obsidian Jordan 1 and then the bottom part of a Chicago Jordan 1 combined into one sneaker with that black swoosh, the black hologram logo. Hologramic, I don't know the proper, it's a hologram obviously, but it's hologramic how you would describe it. And then it comes with the black laces, and then a pair of the UNC blue, and then a pair of Chicago red, and then another pair of all white laces. So Jordan Brand did their thing. They gave you plenty of lace options when you're going to lace these bad boys up and start roaming them streets, whether you be down in North Carolina, out in Chicago, or here in Philadelphia. They made sure your lace options were bountiful. Sizing, as always, true to size. Jordan 1, 8.5. It's what I rock in every pair of Jordan 1s. That's what I went with in these. And like I said, I know the patent leather isn't for everybody. I know the combining of 2 different colorways isn't for everybody. And like I said, I myself was kind of on the fence and was kind of worried about how they were going to be able to pull this off. You know, we've seen things like the Jordan 1 Top 3. We've seen the Jordan 1 Gold Toes. We've seen, you know, Jordan do other stuff. The patent leather gold toes. We've seen Jordan Brand do other crazy creative stuff with the Jordan 1. And I wasn't really sold on these until 2 things happened. One, obviously getting them in hand, seeing the final images on Twitter and online definitely sold me. But the big thing that sold me was the Nike SB Jordan 1 LA to Chicago. Seeing the Los Angeles Lakers colorway rub off into a Chicago colorway, and it'd be like a seamless transaction, and rocking the black laces with the Lakers colorway, or rocking the yellow laces with the Chicago colorway, or rocking the purple laces with the Chicago colorway. All the different lace options and the aesthetics of the sneaker event went very well together. So I wasn't so much worried after I got them and seen how easy of a transition it was to go from the Lakers to the Chicago colorway. Obviously, that's slightly different. The sneaker starts out as a whole Los Angeles Lakers upper and then can be fade away, rubbed away, acetoned away into a Chicago 1. But I still feel when you combined them 2 colorways into a sneaker, it was definitely leaving people scratching their heads and people worried that they weren't going to be able to execute it as well as they did. Back to the Fearless Jordan 1, I feel like Nike and Jordan Brand did a very bang-up job with this. I personally can't wait to rock these. These are definitely going to be a full essential for me. And as I state time and time again, a straight black fit, black tee, black jeans, and these, you're ready to go no matter where you're going. Uptown, downtown, East side, west side, nightclub, dinner, no matter where you're going, you're good. You're Gucci if you rock these with that all black fit. So I'm very open and very, I welcome a challenge of trying to throw a fit together. And like I said, the patent leather isn't going to be for everybody. The combining of the Chicago Bulls and the North Carolina Tar Heels colorway into one silhouette isn't going to be for everybody. I feel like Nike and Jordan Brand executed this excellently, like they were Bret the Hitman Hart. It was just like they were out here throwing people in the sharpshooter. But I feel like they did a bang-up job, and like I said, plenty of lace options to please whatever palette you have, and you're trying to throw, a fit together that may have a little bit more baby blue in it, so you don't want to rock the baby blue laces. There is such thing as too matchy. You don't want to match too much. And, I myself sometimes fall victim to that, and I got to get, checked. Nate puts me in my place. Yo, why are you out here in all purple? Are you trying to be Grimace from McDonald's? So it's, sometimes you need options. And, like, obviously it's just a traditional regular shoelace. So even if they didn't give you options, or even if you wanted even more options to expand your horizon with lacing up this sneaker, there's plenty of opportunity out there for it. But like I said, you don't want to be too matchy. So that's kind of why I like where they just, the contrast of the whole upper is just very dope to me. You got that red Nike Air branding on the tongue. You have a all black traditional Jordan 1 tongue. The insole and some of the extra stuff is what, really got me geeked up though. You have the fear crossed out on the insole. And then on the insole it says, limits like fears are often just an illusion. And I just thought Nike did a very bang-up job with these, as well as some of the other stuff. Like I said, the extras that went along with the sneaker are what, like, I like sneakers that tell a story. I like sneakers that, vary off the beaten path. One, they flipped the script on the color blocking on the box. A Jordan 1 traditionally has the black box, red branding. Flip the script right here, so you got the red box with the black branding. Second, that same message that was on the insole is on the tissue paper throughout the box. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Just repeat it a zillion times on this tissue paper. And then lastly, you got this Michael Jordan, same exact thing. Limits are like fears, often just an illusion. Fear X'd out, very dope insert to go with the sneaker. And then the fearless hang tag. But again, limits like fears are just an illusion. So as stated, I feel like Nike and Jordan Brand did a bang-up job with these. I honestly can't wait to get these on foot. And like I said, I'm going to be rocking them a lot this fall. So we're going to go do you on foot and let you guys get back to the rest of your weekend. I'll be back later this week with some more videos. But until then, I'm Richie Ruckus. Peace.
The number you have reached, 911, has been changed.